In this video, I'm going to demonstrate how we can use Scapy to perform packet manipulation and sniffing. Scapy is a Python library that's used specifically for packet crafting, manipulation, and analysis of network traffic. It's a very widely used tool in the cybersecurity world, and it's also used in general day-to-day networking. Some of the key features of Scapy are its packet crafting and manipulation capabilities, as well as its packet sniffing abilities. It has a wide range of protocols that it supports, including Ethernet, IP, TCP, UDP, etc. It has powerful automation capabilities, and it's a highly versatile tool. So to get started, we first need to have Scapy installed on our system. For this demonstration, I'm going to be running on an Ubuntu Linux system, and we'll need to make sure that we have Python 3.10 or higher installed on our system. To install Scapy, I'm going to use the command python 3-m pip install Scapy. Now that Scapy is installed, we can start to see how to use it. Let's start an interactive Python session with the command python 3, and we're going to import the Scapy package, specifically IP, ICMP, and send. To do that, I'm going to use the command from scapy.all, import IP, ICMP, and send. Now, we're ready to create, send, and manipulate packets. Let's send a ping to our local host. To do that, I need to create an ICMP packet with a destination of 127.0.0.1. So I'm going to define a variable called packet and set that equal to IP, and as an argument, we pass it the destination IP address, dst equals, and in this case, we're going to use the local host, /ICMP. We can then see the packet that we've created using the command print and pass it packet.summary. And here we see the packet that we've created is an IP ICMP from 127.0.0.1, our local host, to 127.0.0.1 localhost. And now that our packet has been created, we can send the packet using send and passing packet as our argument. And we have successfully sent one packet. Now in this case, we sent a ping to the local host, but we weren't able to see what was returned to us. So let's return to our import statement and import another function called sr. So now that I've imported sr, we can send the packet and see the response as follows. We're going to define two variables, answered and unanswered, and set them equal to sr, and as an argument to sr, we're going to pass the packet, a timeout of 2, and verbose equals 0. Now let's loop through the answered variable with for sent received in answered print, and we'll do a string formatting to print out the sent portion, and we'll do another string formatting to print out the received portion. And now we can see what we sent and what we received. So we sent out an echo request to the local host, and we received an echo reply from the local host. So this is how we can craft and manipulate packets in Scapy. In this case, all we did was create a custom destination and an ICMP packet, but you can go much more in depth and modify every field and value of a packet to match your use case. Now, let's look at how we can perform packet sniffing with Scapy. To do that, I'm going to import another package called sniff, and we're going to sniff 5 packets on our loopback interface. So I'm going to define a variable called packets and set it equal to sniff, and I'm going to pass the argument of count equals 5 and iface equals LO. Now, we're sniffing packets on the loopback interface until we get 5 packets. And once we have sniffed 5 packets, the function completes. So let's loop through the packets now and see what we received. We'll do that with for packet in packets, print packet.show. And if we scroll up to the top, we can see all of the packets and their contents that were sniffed on that interface. So we have the Ethernet portion of the packet, the IP portion, and the ICMP portion. In this case, it was an echo or ping. And then we can continue going through the packets in that manner. So this is how we can use Scapy to sniff packets on a network to see what's being sent and received.